Welcome to £1 Email. In this video, we'll talk about how to access Snappy Webmail. £1 Email offers easy access to Snappy Webmail, allowing you to manage your emails through a user-friendly platform. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you can securely check and send emails using Snappy Webmail. Let's get started. Access your email control panel. Navigate to Applications. Click on Rain Loop. Now you can enter your email address and password to log in. If you need more assistance, contact our support team or check out the written version of this guide in our knowledge base. Thanks for watching. Check out 1poundemail.co.uk.